Hello and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe. Let us know who we should draw for you guys. We like to see our subscriptions go up. It really lets us know that you guys like the content we're producing, and we appreciate it. So today we are going to draw Jamarr Chase. We have another Jamarr Chase drawing on the channel. It's more of a beginner drawing. Today we're going to maybe add a little bit of detail. So here we go. Jamarr Chase plays for the Cincinnati Bengals NFL football team. Played college at LSU, Louisiana State for the Tigers. Won the championship in 2020 for LSU. Was the 5th pick overall to the Bengals. Won the Offensive Rookie of the Year. Was a Pro Bowl select, top wide receiver in the NFL, and everyone loves to watch Jamarr Chase. So here we go. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. Get the pointed tip on your marker, and here we go. Jamarr Chase's jaw, kind of a wide jaw, pointed down to the chin, wide jaw, and angle up. A couple of sideways ovals for ears right there. We're going to connect. He's wearing a football cap under his helmet that he often wears, so come up, round it out at the top, and bring it down and connect to the ear. Okay? We'll do the neck really quick. Down, down, come to a V in the middle. The shoulder pad on the neck bumps out. The shoulder pad on this side of the neck bumps out and down. Round it out toward the armpits. Coming down to the waist. Straight across. Round it out from the armpits. Come down to the waist and down. There we go. We have the torso. Let's do his legs. He's got kind of longer, skinnier legs. He's a wide receiver, so they are kind of smaller. Round that knee out and up to the waist. Longer, skinny calves. Go wide at the top and skinny toward the ankle and connect. Oh, my phone is dinging. Sorry about that, you guys. And start wide at the top. Come down to the ankle and connect. Let's do some shoes. Bump out for the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Bring that toe out to the edge and down. Come straight across to the heel area and stop. And connect to the heel, to the ankle, sorry. Bring this heel out, round, down. Straight across to the edge of this page. Round out the toe and connect to the shoelace. There we go. Let's do a football over here. Jamarr Chase just scored a touchdown, so he's holding that football. Round and to a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 simple circles for the fingers. Starting up here, we got a bump and into that football. Bump and into that football. Let's do his hand, kind of maybe doing a stiff arm to some guy coming at him. We'll do a big thumb. Round up to the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bump up and connect to the thumb. Now here's his muscle coming out from the shoulder pad and into that finger. Bump and into the hand. Awesome. Cool. So let's do some eyes up here. So sideways ovals. 1, 2. Do a circle on the inside of the eye, up in the corner. Leave that white, that's the highlight. Another circle on the inside at the bottom. Leave those 2 circles white. And do an arch and an arch, and then we'll fill in the eye with our dark marker, leaving the highlights white for now. The highlights are the reflections of the sun or the sky or the stadium lights, whatever it is. All right, so really quick, we're gonna get a light blue, and we are going to fill in this bottom section with a light blue. I like to add a little color to the eyes, basically saying that this is the reflection of the sky or the stadium lights off Jamarr Chase's eyes. Okay, arch on top, arch on top. Connect that arch and fill it in with a thick eyebrow. Connect that arch and fill it in with kind of a thick, dark eyebrow there. Find the the eye, the edge of the eye, bring it down, dot, bring the edge of the eye down and dot. That's the side, the width of the nose. Bump up, down to a point, up. Alrighty, and fill in the side of these nostrils with a sideways raindrop. Jamarr Chase kind of has more of a pointy nose right there. So we'll do an arch and an arch on the side of the nostrils. He also has a little, kind of a wrinkle in the middle of his nose. So find the middle of the head, come down, don't draw, just find the middle. And below the nose, we'll do a dot. That's the middle of the mouth. And we'll go bump up and out, bump up and out, come down. He's gonna have kind of an open mouth. I'm gonna fill in this area with the dark. Kind of open mouth. And then his bottom lip right there, top lip, bump, bump. And he's got this little mustache scribble up and down. And he's got a chin beard, kind of scribbling these whiskers on the chin here. And that's pretty much it. He's got some braids coming out of the cap. Just going down and out. Fill those in. He's got another one kind of coming in. Another one coming in. Same thing over here. A braid that comes in. A braid that pops out. And maybe one that pops out from behind. And there we go. So we're gonna fill in this cap with black in a minute. Let's do the number 1 really quick. Good and orange for we'll do a black jersey. So right now we're gonna do the number 1. Jamarr Chase, where's the number 1? So we'll do just a flat line, angle down, straight in a little bit, come down, flat, and connect. See how that works? Awesome. Now over here he has a curve to a point. That's a tiger stripe. Same thing over here. Curve to a point. For the other tiger stripe, he's got another one that's a little smaller, curves the opposite way. Another one that curves the opposite way. And over here he's got some stripes that come down the side of the pant. Right there, and we're gonna fill this in with orange. This stripe on the side, okay? Fill this side in with orange. His socks are gonna be orange as well. We'll fill those in during the fast forward, okay? So these socks, they'll be orange. We'll do an orange stripe on the shoe. We'll fill that in the fast forward. Just letting you know what's gonna be colored, there we go. And let's make the number 1 a little bit thicker. The stripe at least, or the outline, sorry, the orange. I'm gonna make it a little wider. Awesome, Jamarr Chase is ready to rock. We're gonna do a black jersey, brown football, leave the pants white, orange socks, orange stripes on the shoes, and a black cap, flesh color. And we have Jamarr Chase ready to rock for the Cincinnati Bengals. Thanks for the request, you guys. Fast forward now.